On top of my position at Tombigbee Fiber as manager of fiber services, I moonlight as a small town mayor, small community of about 1,200 people, small town. We've built 100% to all of our customers there, Tombigbee has. And now we're looking at what can we do? How can we expand and help our community? So as mayor, I'm in a good position, mayor and at Tombigbee, to kind of mesh this together. What does SmartTown provide? How can that help us? This past Saturday night, we had movie night in the park. So SmartTown, we can put endpoints out there, have a connected community at a festival, a movie night in the park, downtown Main Street, and it's going to be a great thing, and we look forward to incorporating that service for sure.